played with phonic sounds. Let's learn the phonic sounds. A sounds a, apple. B sounds b, ball. C sounds k, cat. D sounds d, dog. E sounds a, elephant. F sounds fish. G sounds g, grapes. H sounds hen. I sounds e, ink. But here is ice cream. The letter I sound is E. But I am saying ice cream. Is it E, K, A? No. It is not making any sound. This is a I magic E word. This C is a soft C. When the letter C is followed by letter I and E or Y, the letter C makes the S sound S. Instead of C sound K. So we did it ice, ice cream. Okay, let's continue. J sounds J, jug. K sounds K, kite. L sounds lion. M sounds mango. N sounds nest. O sounds orange. P sounds peacock. Q sounds queen. R sounds rabbit. S sounds ship. T sounds tiger. U sounds umbrella. V sounds van. W sounds watch. X sound xylophone. Y sounds yak. The last letter is Z. Z sounds zebra. Thank you.